How to export emails from Hostinger. So if you want to export emails from Hostinger, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Hostinger website and make sure to log into your account and just follow the steps. Once you've logged in, you just need to simply launch the software on your computer. Once you've launched the software, you just need to simply select the IMAP server and enter your Hostinger email account credentials. And once you enter your credentials, you just need to simply go with login. And once you've logged in, you need to select the email folders to download to your PC. So select the folders and choose a file format in which you want to save the emails. You can simply choose any file format that you would like and choose the target location and click on backup button, which will be on the bottom right. And after that, software will start downloading emails from hosting your business email account. Once the process gets finished, you will be notified by a successful pop-up notification. This is one of the best ways to generate hosting your email backup either from a Mac or a Windows system. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.